In this video, I'm going to show you how to resize a PDF file online. So in case you've been trying to compress your PDF file without losing quality, I'm going to show you how to do it. So what you want to do first is go to Google and type in I love PDF. And then you want to go to the first website that pops up, which is ilovepdf.com, and it says online PDF tools for PDF lovers. And you want to click on it. And then in here, you want to position yourself up here where it says convert to PDF and all PDF tools, okay? You want to hover over all PDF tools, and then over here where it says optimize PDF, you want to click on compress PDF. And as you can see, it says compress PDF files, reduce file size while optimizing for maximal PDF quality. And then what you want to do is select your PDF file. So simply click on this, which will open up your computer files, and you want to go to where you have the PDF you would like to compress. For me, it's this sample PDF inside my downloads folder. I'm going to click on it and then press open. And as you can see, this has now put in a random PDF of mine. And then over here, as you can see, it gives you three different options. So it's extreme compression, recommended compression, or less compression, okay? And there's the description. So with extreme compression, there's less quality and high compression. With recommended compression, there's good quality and good compression. And with less compression, there's high quality and less compression. But the optimal, of course, and recommended is this one in the middle. So you want to choose whichever you'd like. I recommend the middle one though, and you want to press compress PDF. This will start compressing the PDF, and it's going to be very fast. Now, as you can see, it says your PDF are now 25% smaller. Now, this should download the PDF for you automatically, but if it doesn't, you simply want to press over here where it says download compressed PDF. And as you can see, it just downloaded the PDF again, and you can open it up and use it however you'd like to. I hope this video helped you out.